Here we have a 67 plate BMW 330d XDRIVE M Sport Shadow Edition. Now this vehicle comes with the 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all in excellent condition and unmarked. We do also have the blue M Sport brake calipers just behind. We have the black metallic exterior paintwork, LED daytime running headlights. We also have the black kidney grills. We have the full end performance kit on this vehicle, which includes the gloss black front splitter. We do also have the side skirts along the bottom. We have colour coded door handles, the black door mirrors, black trim around the windows and the privacy glass for the rear passengers. We do also have the shark fin antennae up top, along with the rear spoiler as well, which sits just here, nice and aggressively. We do also have the front and rear parking sensors with a reversing camera. And we have the rear diffuser with the twin pipe exhaust as well, just down there. Now if we press this button just on the remote, then the boot should pop open like so. Inside of here you find we have a decent amount of space. It goes quite far back. We've got the storage net on the left hand side. We also have a handle just underneath there to pull the boot back closed with ease. And making our way back around to the driver's side, you find this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Taking a look then at the interior now. So inside of here you find we have the full leather interior, we have the foldable armrest in the centre and the fixed ISO points. We do also have the vents down there for the rear passengers. We have the electric windows on the doors. If we have a look at the front, again you find the same full leather interior, and both the front seats are heated, and there is a quick look at them. We do also have the premium Harman Kardon sound system. We've got the electric mirrors and electric windows with child lock for the rear, automatic lights and the automatic wipers, multifunctional steering wheel as well. If we take a seat inside, you find we have the paddle shifters on either side of the steering wheel. If we put our foot on the brake, press the start button, then the vehicle will start up for us. We do have the high beam assist just here on the left stalk. We've got the speed limiter and the cruise control as well. And as you can see as well on the dashboard, we are free from any warning lights other than letting us know that we are low on fuel. We do also have the main screen here in the centre. Now if any of the screens are flickering, it's just the camera, they're not flickering in real life, so nothing to worry about. So as you can see, we do have the sat-nav navigation. We get the shortcuts down here, so click onto media. You find we have the media for the radio stations. We also have the CD, Bluetooth and the USB audio. We've got the Bluetooth phone connectivity as well. If you go back again onto media, scroll down onto mobile devices, you'll also see we have the Apple CarPlay just there as well. Now, if we go onto the main menu, go into My Vehicle. If you scroll down, you find we have the technology in action with the sport displays, which is a pretty cool feature to have. We also have the different drive modes, such as the Eco Pro. We have Comfort, Sport, and also the Sport Plus drive mode as well. Let's just keep it in comfort though. We've got the automatic gearbox just here. If you put the car into reverse, you find we have the reversing camera with the front and rear parking sensors. Put it back into park, moving further down, we've got the dual zone climate control, heated seats on either side, and also the ice-cold air conditioning working just as it should do. We have the cup holders just inside of there, 12-volt connectivity, traction control, drive mode buttons, we have the parking sensors, manual handbrake and a nice leather armrest in the centre. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this 67 plate BMW 330d XDRIVE M Sport Shadow Edition. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show the vehicle drives as expected to. As you can see, I'm about to fire up the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line. We're not veering off to the left or to the right hand side, we're staying straight and true. We have the paddle shifters on either side. If you want to set the car into manual mode, just tap one of the paddles and it will change gear. We have the speed limiter and the cruise control buttons on the left hand side, volume buttons on the right. We also have the digital screen in the centre of the dashboard showing the trip computer. We have the premium Harman Kardon sound system, which really does sound incredible. And if you do listen carefully throughout this video test drive, you'll also notice we'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. We have the full leather interior throughout this vehicle, which is very comfortable. You can easily do 2, 3 or even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Both the front seats are also heated, which is perfect for them cold winter mornings. And we do have the main screen here in the centre, currently showing the sat-nav. We also have plenty of features on there that we've seen on the photos. For example, we have the DAB radio and the Bluetooth phone connectivity. Below there we have the dual zone climate control with the ice cold air conditioning, perfect for these hot summer days. We do also have the automatic gearbox as well with all the different drive modes. Now about to take a right hand turn in a moment, so if we slow down, put our right indicator on and wait for this traffic to pass. And then we make the right hand turn onto the industrial park and have a firm on emergency stop, put the car into reverse just to show that the brakes and also the parking sensors work as they should do. So we've put our emergency stop in 3, 2, 1, hold onto the brakes, put the car into reverse. We have the parking sensors and also the reversing camera just there. Put it back into drive with no issues whatsoever. And if this video hasn't answered all your questions, please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions along with running through some inquiries with you. That's all for me today. Cheers.